Hi, today I'm reviewing Realme 11 Pro and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner task on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the lock screen, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, I just unlocked the device without any problems, just in a few seconds, just in 1 second maybe. I'm just hold for a while the scanner, not with a simple touch, because if you just so fast do it, you just have no chance to unlock your device successfully. So hold for a while the scanner, and after that you'll unlock your device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.